Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today you're going to hang with me in Zipper at opening a Cat Lady. Wait! So impatient. Now you're crooked. A Cat Lady box. Bag, I should say. Just a minute. Hold on, we're going to knock you over here. Anyway, I used to subscribe to the, is it called the, it's just the Cat Lady box. I always call it the Crazy Cat Lady box. But anyway, and then I kind of suspended it for a while because it was just a lot of stuff. And Zipper has a lot, he has a lot of toys. And I have a lot of cat stuff, so I don't need it anymore. But they had a little special, and you know how they suck you back in for a little thing. So it was 3 different boxes, 3 different, if he knocks you guys over, I'm going to be so mad. 3 different boxes at $19.99 for 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, whatever. And they're all going to be different. Didn't include shirts and stuff like that, so it was very universal. And they didn't come in a box. They're going to come like just in a bag or whatever. It's like, oh, okay. So I ordered 2 because I thought I'll get one for my friend Trisha that used to do these videos with me. And I thought, oh, we'll open them together. Well, it came the other day, all in one bag, and I didn't know it. Ripped it open. I didn't even read it. I thought it was from Amazon, to be honest with you, because Amazon comes every day to this house. So, anyway, so I ripped it open and started looking and realized they put everything together. So, what the hell? We're just going to open it all together with Zipper if he would get out of this box that he's playing in over here. Do you want to see? Hold on. Are you ready? Let's do this, okay? Come on. Okay, so it came in a bag like this. Let's see. There are things in here for Zipper also. I don't know what this is. This thing is, oh, there's one. What is this? What is this? What is this? Let's open this one. Okay, hold on. Oh, yay! Oh, isn't that cute? It's a cat. Can you see it? I don't know. I'm not very good at this right. Zipper. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, you're gonna get mean with me, and you're gonna be okay. Right up in the camera area. Okay, hold on. Let's get you a toy for God's sake. Oh, what's this? Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, it's not a toy. It's a pen. Oh, it's a pen. Isn't this cute? Could you wait? Oh, I guess he got his own toy. Oh, you got a butterfly. Oh my God, you guys. You could see him. Oh, you excited? Oh, you're sitting on it. Oh, goodness. Some fancy foot action. Okay. Okay. Back to what I was doing over here. Throw this stuff somewhere. Oh my goodness. He'll probably take it from me. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's a pet. It's not yours. It's mine. I get something out of this deal, you know. You, Okay, play with your butterfly. Let's see what this is. So I think there should be, will you get out of the camera? 8 things total because I think this might be the beach blanket thing. Oh. How does this work? Oh. Well, if we would go to the front of it, Rachel, because it smells like a, this is so nice. It is. So I had just bought something similar, not as nice as this, on Amazon. So when we would go to the beach, we had something to lay on. It was really big. This is really nice. So it unfolds out. It's a beach blanket thing, pad. You put it on the beach and then fold it right back up. My husband's going to be so excited about this. All right. I think there's something else in here. Do you want it? You have to get in here and get it yourself, though. Okay. Not the blanket. I never did do this. Cheers. So they got right up in here. Okay, well, fine. Your other thing is in there. You got to get it yourself. Okay, all right. Go ahead and get it. Get it? Bring it back out. I want you to suffocate. Get it? Zipper, you're gonna fall off the table. Oh my Lord, child. You got it. You got it. Don't. Okay, we finally got it out. We had a little incident. He almost fell off the table. We're good. So, the bad thing about these, you know, when they do this, it's a good price. It really is a good price, but some things you already have. Like, we already have both of these, but he doesn't care. He'll play with them again. He's happy with that. My other thing that I got, although I do not have this, and I'm super excited, because I haven't had it in months. I don't have this cat pen. He's still going strong. So this is a soap dish. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, and it has the sticky thing, so you can stick it. I should put this in our shower, so it can stick somewhere or stick. I should just put it in my shower, not tell my husband. Then you're like, what in the hell is that in there? I just may do that to make him laugh. Looky, sticky note. Kitty sticky notes to go with my kitty pen. I am so excited about these. I don't know why. I do love. Oh shit! There it comes. Get your own stuff. Do you mind? And one more thing to show them. Okay. Of course, I would have gave you a snack for God's sakes. So this is a little necklace, and it's called the Sweetheart Cat Necklace. Oh, and look, it's got a little kitty on it. That is adorable. It's very cute. I like that. 22 karat gold plated. That is adorable on here. What does that say? Cat Lady Box donations and portions of all profits to cat rescue. Oh, they donate. I can't read anymore. Donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping us help cats in need. Because mine is so spoiled, we need to help other cats so I don't feel so guilty. Well, yay! So anyway, when I picked these boxes, it came with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? Can I not count either? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I counted right. Okay, love it. 4 items in each box, which really wasn't a box. It was all in one bag. And guaranteed one from each box was for your pet. Thank God. So he can have some more shit to play with. But anyway, I'm super excited about the cat tote. I don't know why, but I do love tote bags. And it's nice and basic. It's like Batman, Batcat. That's what it looks like. Ooh, nice zipper. Oh, nice zipper. Nice on the inside. I can take, this is actually that good quality where I can take it to the beach with my beach mat. I am super excited about this. Like, totally excited. And I know it says Cat Lady Box, and I'm sure when I open it up, I'm not going to open it up because I'll probably never get it folded back together. I'm sure there's a picture of it online. That there's got to be something cat print on there somewhere. But it's very colorful. I love it. And all these little things are so cute. So anyway, here comes Crazy playing with his toys. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I know it wasn't a very quick video, but I thought, you know what? You guys might want to see it. Get on there. Obviously, proceeds. Oh, he's going to kill me. Oh, thought he was going to kill me for real. Proceeds of, they do donate to cats in need, which is very important to me. So, I think that's all it. That's it. If I ever have another one, which I may in the future, I'm not going back to having this subscription. I just thought I'd do these little filler here and there. It's just not something I need. I don't need any of it, but every month, you know what I mean? So, it's just what it is. I have a few of the things from before that I put in a storage bin that's for gifts. Like I have a gift bin, so some of those things are in there, but whatever. is what it is, and it's fun, and this is exciting. I need this little pick-me-up. It was fun. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this short cat lady unboxing video, unbagging. And if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up, or at least give it a thumbs up, please. If you enjoyed the video, even if you didn't enjoy the unboxing and you're not a cat person, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my videos. Leave me some comments. I love your comments and so far everyone's always been nice, so I like nice comments. Leave one, please. I'd appreciate it. And I think that's it. So hey, cheers.